Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Currently, I am locked out of my house, well, my apartment, and I figured what a better time to make an apartment garden tour than this one as I'm waiting for my keys to arrive. So yeah, if you're interested, then just keep watching. So I'll show you kind of an overview, and then this is just part of it, but then we'll go down there. So let's see, what do we have down here? I think this might be garlic. It has to be. I'm positive it's garlic because I grew garlic here in years past, but I'm sure I didn't harvest all the tiny little cloves. So that's probably what that is. And then if you can see this, all this is bee balm, some wild bergamot. So there's going to, yeah, this is going to just explode this year, I already know. And over here we have some lemon balm, I believe. I always do the rub test. Yeah, looks like that's what that is. And then same with over there. Hopefully. Oh, thanks. And then over here we've got some, let's see, what kind of mint is this? Oh yes, this is my mojito mint that the squirrels love to rip up. And let's see, it smells delicious. And then if you can see over here, we have, I'm not sure if it's lemon catnip or just regular catnip. Once again, the rub test. I think that's just regular catnip. It doesn't really smell like lemon. So we're gonna go with catnip, which is honestly growing all over the place. Like down here, we'll kind of jump over real fast to this. Yeah, I had to rip it out of this bed because it's just growing everywhere in my garden now. But let's go back over here. We've got some Yaro, and I think this is just like overcrowded. There might be too many plants growing here. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Is this like too many plants in one? Do I need to like rip half of it out? Tell me please, because I want some Yaro flowers. And so far that's what it looks like. It's just a bush. So over here we've got snapdragons because I planted these last year and I did not realize that they were going to live through winter. So they have, and I can't wait to see these blooms. I really did plant these last year, so these are definitely zone 7 hardy for sure. And then I'm pretty sure this is another little garlic that we have there. So far that's all that's growing here. All these little babies are also catnip, so I need to rip these out, unfortunately. I should probably ask anybody if they want some catnip seedlings because I have so many of them. Over here, we've got really nothing growing, but here, oh my gosh, and this is our first little pea sprout. Same with that guy. Happy birthday, little guys. Oh my gosh. So yeah, we planted some sweet gem peas right here, and those seem to be sprouting. And this is supposed to be lemon verbena. I was close, but I'm pretty sure it's dead. See, when you scratch it, if it's green, that means it's alive. This is dead. That's unfortunate. We're gonna have to get a new one of these for sure. Over here is my rosemary. So this guy has been here for like 3 years now. It's established. It lives here. It does what it wants when it wants. So that's Rosemary. And then currently this green stalk is empty besides this little plant, which is my strawberry. And it did have aphids not that long ago. I think they all died though. So that's good. Over here we've got some broccoli, which you can see the heads starting to form, which is super exciting. I had to cut off all the nasty leaves. And now we have a bunch of these little baby sprouts forming. As you can see, these are the kind of scabs of the old leaves where they got cut off. But yeah, we've got a bunch of broccoli growing, which is super exciting. And honestly, I think that might be all I've got to show you. We do have, I think this is another garlic. And then here we've got some orange mint, some, what is this? Some hyssop, anise hyssop, which I'm not sure how I feel about them growing together because they both are fighting each other. And the mint is winning, but it is what it is. So we've got orange mint here. And then this is peppermint, which is coming back strong, as you can see. And then over here are some tulips that I planted a couple years ago, and once again the squirrels destroyed. So these are the only ones that are coming back, which I'm thankful for. This is a golf ball I found while tearing that bush up. But then over here we have some oregano, which is just thriving. And then I believe this is a lime mint. Pretty sure. Yeah, this is definitely, no, it's not lime mint. It's lime catnip. Or lemon catnip, one of the two. Either way, citrusy catnip. And then also in here I have a marshmallow plant. So that's like going into the ground, so I'm pretty sure that's coming back every year. And then over here we have some raspberries. These are my gold raspberries. I think they're called double gold raspberries. Super delicious. And then over here we have some more. I believe this one has the tag. Maybe I'm wrong, but I know this is another lime catnip or lemon catnip, whatever it is. Right here it looks like we have something growing. I have no clue what I planted. Some blue shelling snow peas. Well, hopefully they grow. That kind of looks like one. Oh, look, there's another one there. Yeah. If that's what's growing here, I hope that does happen. And over here we have some white sage that hopefully comes back. I'm not sure if it's still alive. That's definitely dead. So I'll definitely grow some more of that, but I'm still hoping that that one will come back. And then these are some raspberries that never grew last year, but hopefully they will this year. And yeah, I think that might be it. I also had some holy basil all up in these too. So we're gonna see if that comes back eventually. I'm hoping it will. But oh my gosh, look. Do you see these little sprouts? Oh my gosh, spring is coming. Alright guys, I'm terrible at ending videos, but if you made it to the end of this, thank you so much for watching. And if you'd like to see more of this in the future, of it looking actually lush, and I'll actually make videos this year, not like last year where I totally flaked, just subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and yeah, tell your friends to follow me also maybe, and we can just have so much fun here. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.